So today is just a simple vlog. I'm just going to help my friend pack his stuff because he's moving. I'm helping him and his dad. They're going back to Toronto. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. So I'm literally crossing the bridge now. I'm going towards the north side. I live on the south side. My brother, he likes like the ghetto, that's why he lives on the north side. Gang gang. Are you excited?
Long drive, 13 hours.
You already done it. It's actually bigger than the old one though.
This one?
Yeah. Why are you not driving your car?
Too much gas.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, V6. Yeah. This one too, V6 anyway.
You can't take two of them. So we started.
Shit, it's raining. 9 o'clock. And what time did you leave? Bro, your shoes are fucked up. Hi.
You're in camera business?
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
You're a vlogger?
Yeah. Yeah, we've been pushing P, like I'm pushing P, he's pushing P, his dad is pushing P, you know what's up, man. Yo, we struggled a lot with this freaking couch, like it was hard to push that stuff out. But yeah, we figured it out, it was out, like I just came in and you know what's up, man, we just pushed that shit outside. I don't know why he likes to play all the time, this guy. We're struggling at this motherfucker playing. Yeah, so if you don't know when you're moving out, you get tired, you know. So right there, bro, we were resting. Like I was tired, he was tired, his dad was tired, but we kept pushing. I don't think it's a good idea to even leave it there, in case you're gonna rest or something.
No, no resting. No such thing as resting.
I can pick it up at home, bro. I'll put it on your head. I can put it on your head. You don't want to put it on your head.
No, it's
Yo, it's heavy, fam. Yo, small but big.
Those stool pants are really heavy. This wallet here, man. And the house key for everything for them. These are the house key for them. Going to Jamaica.
Milton, I'm leaving.
Okay, really appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Alright.
I'm hungry. I'm going home. I hope you guys love the vlog. I'm so tired. I have migraine because I'm up since 1 a.m. So yeah, I need to eat and rest. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video, guys. Gee.